Hi, my name is Maria Stephanie Maldonado Palomino, and today we're going to have a music theory class. First of all, what does music mean to you? Think a little bit about it. Okay. Music is the art of mixing melodies, harmony, and rhythms with the purpose to express emotions and feelings. And yeah, there are some important basic music elements we need to talk about. And the first one is the melody. It is a succession of notes organized into phrases. As you can see here, this is one phrase, this is another phrase. And well, this is a little melody. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yeah. And now we have the harmony. It is a group of notes that are played at the same time, usually forming chords, as you can see here, and the rhythm. It means organize the sounds, the notes, given a special proportion across the time. And now we have the height of the notes, and that's why this note is higher than this note, and this note is lower than this another note. And yeah, talk about the timbre, right? This characteristic helps to identify the instrument that is being played. It is a specific characteristic of each sound, and also it depends of the form and the material of each instrument. That's why a piano sounds different from a guitar. The human voice sounds different from violin. Now we're going to talk about the musical notation. You've probably seen these lines before. This is what we call staff. Yeah, it is used to write melodies and harmony for every instrument. It is composed for 5 lines and 4 spaces. 5 lines, 4 spaces. Yeah. And also we have additional lines, as you can see here, on top and down. And now we're going to talk about these symbols. These symbols are called clef. Yeah, this is a very famous symbol. This is the treble clef or G clef. This is the bass clef or F clef. And this is the middle clef or C clef, right? The clef is written on the beginning of the staff, and it determines the height of the notes, and it is placed here, always here, and yeah. The G clef is the most common clef. Obviously, that's why it is too famous. And well, the C clef is something special because it's used for vocals and instruments with a really, really high pitch. And we have here the human voices, the baritone voice, tenor voice. This is for male voices, and soprano. Also is for female voices. We have another example here. G clef is written on the second line on the staff. Bass clef is written on the fourth line. And yeah, we have to see and different spaces. Yeah. This is the vocal range of the bass voice. This is the vocal range of baritone voice, tenor voice, contralto, mezzo-soprano. And we have another example here of the ranges of each type of voice. And for example, Ariana Grande is soprano voice. Mariah Carey is mezzo-soprano voice. Adele is contralto. Christian Castro is tenor. Elvis Presley baritone, and Frank Sinatra bass voice, and children's voice, of course. We have children's voice. This is the highest voice, human voice. And now we have the alterations. Yeah, an alteration change the pitch of the note. This symbol raise or low the pitch of the note, and it's placed before the same note, as you can see here. Yeah. We have the sharp, the flat, and natural. Also, we have the double sharp and double flat. Yeah. These symbols have a specific order. This is the order of the sharps, the order of flats, and yeah, this is in descending fifths and ascending fifths for sharps, right? You can memorize the order of the sharps and flats with the following example. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. This is for ascending fifths. It means for sharps. And for descending fifths, it means flats. It's battle ends and down goes Charles' father, right? And well, the sharps raises the pitch by one semitone, and the flats lowers the pitch by one semitone. And it's the same for double sharp. The double sharp raise the pitch by one tone, and the double flat lowers the pitch by one tone. One semitone is the shortest distance between a note, between two notes. Sorry. For example, between C and C sharp, we have a semitone. And between C and D, we have a tone. Yeah. And well, the natural, it cancels the sharp and the sharp and flat. Sorry. And well, we are going to talk about the notes. Yeah. Now we can know the tonality of a piece according to the key signature. According to the key signature, it is placed at the beginning of the staff, as we have here. After the clef, of course. That's why we know this is the D major key signature. We have only two alterations here. One in F and another one in C. Right? Yeah, now we are going to talk about the notes. Right. Each note has a specific duration, which is counted in beats. This is the whole note and its rest. They're equal to 4 beats. And this is a whole note, its rest, and they're equal to 2 beats. So for a note, its rest, it's equal to 1 beat. The 8th note and interest is equal to a half beat. And the 16th note is equal to 1/4 beat, right? And well, we have the dot and double dot. The dot increases the duration of the notes by a half, right? As you can see here, a half. A half note. The half of a half note is a quarter note. Yeah, and a half of a quarter note is 8 note, as we have here. And yeah, we have the type. It is a curved line connecting two notes of each of the same pitch. It means they have to be played at the same, played as a single note. Okay, and we have also the pause. The pause prolongs the duration of the note, and it is over the note on top. We have something important here, the time signature, right? This is the top number and the bottom number. This one indicates the number of bits per bar, and the second one indicates the type of note we are going to play, or the value of each bit. And what we have, simple time, right? It means 2 notes of quarter notes, right? 2 notes of quarter notes, right? 2 notes of half notes, 2 notes of 8 notes. Easy. 4 notes of quarter notes, 4 notes of half notes. And they're called double time, triple time, quadruple time. 4 bits in each bar. 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. 2 bits. 1, 2. Right? And now we have the compound time. The first one is the double time. The second one, triple time, and this one, quadruple time. This is a little bit difficult, right? So pay attention, please. We have two groups of 8 notes, right? 2 groups of 8 notes. 2 bits in each bar. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, this is the dot. Right, the dot it's equals to 3 8 notes, and we have 2 bits. 3 notes, 1 bit, another 3 notes, 2 bits. Yeah, and the same for this another one. 2 groups of 3 notes, 1 group for 1 bit, another group for the another bit, and now we have 9, 8. We have here 3 groups of 3 notes, 3 8 notes. We have 3 groups of 4 quarter notes, and here we have 3 groups of 3 8 16 8 16 notes. Sorry. We have here 4 groups of 3 8 notes. 4 groups of 3 parted notes and 4 groups of 3/16 notes, right? And now we have the bar lines, the bar line and double bar line. We have here the lines. This is a bar line. It separates a piece into measures. A bar line has 7 different ways to use it. First one, as I said before, separates a piece into measures. It also indicates the end of the piece. This is the end of the piece. The start and repeat the piece, the end and repeat that part of the piece, and double repetition, right? There are the 7 ways to use it. And that's all for today. Thank you.